Dunkin' Donuts is the only place on the earth where you can dunk your donuts. Dip your donuts in a wide variety of coffee flavors. Our flavors is black coffee, brown coffee, burnt coffee, and a new Mexican coffee, which comes with a free taco.
My name's Brewster Jones, and I'm a coffee financier, and we're gonna get some Dunkin' fucking donuts. Some Dunkin' fucking donuts. Let's go see how good this shit is, eh? Yeah, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure thing, sir. What kind of coffee?
Just a black coffee.
Black coffee? I got you, right here.
Can I get a little sugar in that?
How much sugar would you like?
Just a little bit more sugar.
You say when.
Just a little bit more sugar. Can I get a little bit more sugar? Can I get a spoonful of sugar? I'm gonna sit and go down. Can I get a little bit more sugar? Come on, man, give me some more sugar. I need some sugar. Give me some sugar. I'm freaking salad. Give me a little sugar. I need some sugar. Oh, give me some sugar. Just a little more sugar. Just a little bit more sugar. Just one more group. No! No! That's too much sugar! I don't want it anymore! Fuck you, I'm out of here!
Dunkin' Donuts gives you lots of food so you're not as hungry as you were before. Get lots of healthy nutrition by eating one of our sugar-covered donuts that is pumped with sugar-filled jelly. Then you can have one of our delicious bagels, or as our customers call it, taking a bite into pure cream cheese.
Hey there! Can I get a coffee?
Sure thing, sir. What kind of coffee?
Can I get an iced coffee?
Iced coffee, sure.
Yeah. Hey, can I get a little bit of cream in there?
Sure thing.
Just cream me up. I like to get all creamy on the inside. Come on, milk me up, baby. I like to make sure I'm frothed. Come on, I like non-fat, I like whole milk. I got like 1%, I got 2%, I got skim milk, I got half and half, I got any type of cream I got. If there is a titty in this house right now, make sure that it is taking out all the cream, all the milk is sucked right out of those tits. Okay, that's a little too much milk. I'm actually lactose intolerant.
Dunkin' Donuts also has little donuts that detach you from the guilt of eating a regular donut. Munchkins! Don't just eat one, eat the whole box, then eat the box! If you're still hungry after that, then grab yourself a bite to beat of one of our delicious, world-class, gourmet, 5-star, microwavable breakfast sandwiches.
Can I just get an iced coffee?
Iced coffee? Sure thing. There you go.
I'm sorry, is this supposed to be a joke? Is this supposed to be funny? Am I supposed to be laughing here? Because I specifically asked for an iced coffee, and you gave me a hot coffee!
God damn it! Dunkin' Donuts, more like Dunkin', do not go in there! America runs on Dunkin', more like America runs away from Dunkin'! God!